So if you were given a choice to have 1 crore in cash today or just 1 paisa that doubles every day for the next month, what would you pick? If I was given this choice, I would have had picked 1 crore in cash definitely. Until I knew one thing, which I know, which I'm going to talk about in this video. It's compounding. I claim that picking 1 paisa that doubles every day is way better than picking 1 crore. This might be a little brainer for you, right? 1 paisa seems too small to make a difference. Let us see, let us do the math behind it. So when I rejected 1 crore on day 1, I now have 1 paisa, which is going to be doubled for the next month every day. So on day 1, I have 1 paisa, and on day 2, my 1 paisa turns into 2 paisa. And on day 3, I now have 4 paisa with me. And a week down the road, on day 7, I just do not even have a single rupee, while the other person who picked a crore is partying around the world. But I know one thing for sure, that this amount is going to be doubled for next days. So 2 days later, on day 10, my 1 paisa turns into 5 rupees and 12 paisa. And this 512 is to be doubled next day as well. So on day 11, my 512 turns into 1024. 10 days down the road, on day 20, I have with me 5,242 rupees. This amount, remember, this amount is to be doubled every day for next 11 days as well. So 10 days later, on day 30, my 1 paisa turns into 53,68,709 rupees, which is almost half of 1 crore which I rejected on day 1. So I might be thinking now, was it okay to reject 1 crore and choose 1 paisa? But it is until day 31 when we see the dramatic outcome, how our 1 paisa changed into 1 crore 7,37,418 rupees, which is almost 7 to 10% greater than the 1 crore which we rejected on day 1. I chose to start with 1 paisa on day 1, and on day 31 I have with me 1 crore 7,37,418 rupees. How did that happen? Compounding. As per the great Albert Einstein, compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, and he who does not pays it. If it is so simple, then why just not everyone apply it and be rich? There are 2 reasons for it. 1. It is not overnight when you get to see the results. Remember, on day 31, it was the accumulative compounded effect of the smaller choices you made for 30 days by patiently waiting, by not withdrawing your money, by being disciplined, which resulted into success on day 31. So the key is to be patient and let the small amounts do their job over a period of time. Now 2, money does not double itself in real world. The above example is to help us understand the combined power of compounding and patience. The truth about the process of earning, not arriving, not winning, but earning the success is very simple in itself. The process is frustrating and it tests our patience. But remember, with no pain comes no gain. On day 31, when we get to see our results, nothing happened overnight. It was our discipline and patience for 30 days which resulted into success on day 31, and we were able to see the magic happen. So it was your discipline for 30 days. In life, we are bound to suffer from one of the 2 pains, pain of discipline or pain of regret. Pain of discipline is temporary and it provides us success and happiness later on in our lives, while pain of regret weighs heavy and it can be unbearable to cope with. So compound interest, I will say, is actually the 8th wonder of the world, but provided it is used with both patience and discipline. As per the words of great Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time and one of the richest men in the world, everyone wants to be rich, but no one wants to be rich slow. The process about earning the success, it is frustrating and it tests your patience. So be patient and let the compound interest do your job. It is true that the compound and patience, when they combine together, they are massive. But the problem is, we tend to be impatient with investments. We want to see the results very next day. Remember, investing your money is just like hitting on gym. You want to see the results, but it does not happen on the next day. You have to be patient, you have to be consistent, you have to work hard every day. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you understand how powerful is compound interest. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends and family and also subscribe to the channel. Also comment any of your questions, any of your opinions, any of your advices in the comment section below to be betterly engaged.